Stars enra yewura mo Samates omaso ye ene ye ko Bibiani Gold Stars na wa hu se de dwumakuo bi ma ne omo baba beso ye football teams na omo ne omo ampatamu ana mantamu ba kono omo ne omo bo adwuma sere ne ma siti edi apostle Pimpa ye friend Emmanuel Edu ewa amano so ma mi jamu na ne no eni nkomo
Abenye Emmanuel Edu ye cha no pe eba Sompa TV and Sompa 93.1 FM
le that's ninia
bibi aboko dia
Pacho boko so e ya no wapaja oneni mu kakra ma me ase wo sika
Pacho se bibi aboko dia Pacho otimi ni sisi ya
Yes sir go ahead yes
Oyo Pacho nkoma ye ni obedi anope efa jumedi amudi ewo Bibiani Gold Stars na be se bisa se Bibiani Gold Stars jumedi no na jumedi a broni be friend say mo year for corporate social responsibility and na say na mo year for a business
and I say here for
business purposes
for the investment
Bibiani Gold Stars no
okay,
as a company
okay,
no mo year say corporate social responsibility because mo operate every year and na say mo year for a business purpose football business.
Okay, all right. First of all, no, I mean, namaste. I mean, that motif for you, ni training that akonya kesiwe ayana entama. Yame abuame ne mama me that akonya we. Jeji kaya me kama munyina amati aseni se. Baby any mind. Ya mwa ya dima Gold Star. Eye yeji kaya. Eye ajapade kese pa wo bebie ni ku ani sahwuma ena ye to so biem te se de o kan no eye ye moa aboni frɛ no corporate social responsibility no ye de ama enkrutu ahodo a ye dwuma ni wo mu no eti na ma ye boa bebie ni Gold Star na ubi say two questions eti member of who say there are two perspectives yan as a mining company na ye team no ebua team no ye no from corporate social responsibility there yen so yen o my ma ye will be gaining krom duam ha eti at the power kroni ma emwa ben na o se de boa e ma de ni gina e ma mfa so ba so e ma ba bi ni mine sefi mine any western of mountain nyina and only ye one but se wo pass ko e ko team ni mu dia whatever support na ye de beba no a year technically or strategically an investment in the team. It is purpose no a different. Yeah, as a mind, as a company, no, you are more than a year, the boa ama a japadia wo no a gina atana ama faswa baso. In mind for no. Yen faswa ye here umuane say. But in mind and yan faswa team so and no yen faswa. Yes, directly no my engineer here to if you go starting no yeah juma yeah aban ama ye tumi kata ye di no e go da juma ne eti yen tumi ko dem fast one free go start and for my mind so it is illegal and it will be sanctioned by the state but so go start movie this is very basic accounting go start movie omo inflows are omo munya as a team registered legal entity, no. It is an investment for the team. It is two perspectives, you know.
Now, all kind of sado. Again, about funding of the club, Sikaseme Kwamo Faswa, club, you mutimi a pejano from the Division Abedu Baby a car, the funding of it itself, no. How huge is it? A capital intensive, sir. And I say, a sika sebi and shedan doors as a company investment the funding of the club so far.
Okay, first of all, no, sika the board team no, medika ka say a social support. Social support no, a kwambe ni fast no ni say company na budget and no keep the running team no. If you keep your budget, you in fact proceeds from the team and the bad minds on here could you team no. It is a CPR company near the budget for operations, you know. Many departments, you know, sustainability department I'm here penino. Me budget. Me keep the gold stars for the year. Omuhuka ABC. It is a ABC, and I mean the call for approval. In addition to other social responsibilities our communities in. And also the budgetary support and as a team, as a company, the board team, then everybody knows that you're a gold company. It's a gold company, you're two gold name and fast only be a better cronin, you're the board cronin in your padre, a manager. And the empire fast with a budgetary support. Near is cano, and you be at the bois. Every year you maintain a budget line, sustainability department for the team. You maintain a budget line, sustainability department, and the mass scholarship, the BC school dying, the B organizing education programs, the B bois, a mamreni, a mania, and Yama P, a showing semi and the Adibe brain. It's a piano. We just have budget, for those purposes.
I mean, they say we are sustainability manager because question baby say if a sustainability no project remember to say ebia montimi ento asubium plan ben amwaya mo be sustaining bibiani go star some premier for a long time to come.
Okay, it's the first point I want to also say. When you are looking at, we know any more of minds, more of community. So, running a club, a self-sustaining business unit. There are different fundamentals, and the fundamentals need ingredients. Now, the say, Obama entity be a self-sustaining business entity, and different from the fundamentals of sustainability in a mind. Sustainability in a mine, we are looking at three things. We look at something at the highest level, we're referring to ESG. We are looking at environment, social, and governance issues. So your principles, for environmental stewardship, including the community and governance structure, obedience to laws and regulations, are different. If you come to Gold Stars as a business, now person already the self-sustaining life of Gold Stars. What that means is that Gold Stars leadership, they have to, anybody in the minor, they have to come up with innovative ways beyond the minor, again, obey to maintain it. So that is another discussion. The image as sustainability manager, I can discuss a lot of ideas. And I believe working with Gold Stars management, we are putting in a lot of ideas that they are running Gold Stars beyond the life of the mine as a community. If you don't know mines for your Juma say, you better say beyond Gold Stars, beyond mine team. It is the task of Kosedu and the management team to come up with ideas. As a mine, you best support those ideas so that the mines in we can still sustain the team. As a Japadia will be very cool.
Since I'm more chassis, say more Bibiani Gold Stars, more sika ebomo as part of my social corporate social responsibility, and moi bending for so ben obetimi akase as a mining company, mo ankasa mwanya jumedi amudien aboama mo corporate image akosro ana mudin atre ayekese.
Okay, so number one, Fasua Yenya said the Bini for Niaje. That is the number one importance. And the only importance we want to run Gold Stars. And they say, the Bini for are happy. And number two, and they say, there's a team, there's a sporting entity. At the end of the day, Yenya koye misunderstanding, Yanya gidi community no. There's one uniform entity BIFN Gold Stars to share extra support without politics, without chieftaincy, without marital issue, without friendship issues. At least there's one single blood Gold Stars putting you to one platform for us to smile, for us to have fun and be happy. So yeah, as a mind, no dear. The journey for Nigeria, what it means is that they like the team. They want to keep it. That is the most important idea. Free goal stars. The people are happy. The people like the team. That is all.
Again, I'm more years from as a company. Mo feel say ama Gold Stars abejna baby ejna from Division 1. Aba Premier Division. As a company, again, I'm more years from ama team na boa apia na free Division 1 abedu Premier Division.
But the only repeating question, also the other is from Koema.
I am Bruni friend. Yes. I am Pacho.
The idea is from Koya commitment. And the Koya mining company. A company now first who identify the ideals, the interests, and the will of the people. That's the difference. The mining companies will be about being Gold Stars and Premiership. Idea means good. A year is different. Yet for your boy, it does to call a chronic. Team no idea chronic. A dunk of Wakuma to Kruma. Number 2, the who said, team no everything be a cognac, ama, a mamua, a war talent. Our mobile team, ya ama on talent in sports. At me acquiring. In some who said, Gold Stars, everything be more holder business unit, the brave. For instance, the Gold Stars Bobo can say, Okrumha, and for Beton Yama own Triso, Asota, Biscuit, in soup, any Yama be brave. A more hotel, and for them, journalists, I will be getting Krumha, 3 radio stations. Omubenya Konya, their interview, top-notch journalists, top-notch football players, top-notch football administrators. It's the who win in a hand. The Babek say, look, Gold Stars here a very good opportunity. Yeah, the who cana, na ye yemani trakunima, a bema obian party yenga. Number 1, a business that was frame as sustainability manager of a mine. I mean, Kasei. The year Gold Stars, Anka. Over Premizano, Preminkazana. So, you who said these are the very issues that are bother on the team, no. And I ain't my appetite, your commitment, you know, a vast stroke say, look, this is a very singular, clearly accepted opportunity in the community. If you use that channel, you can put the Sompa, you can learn in Bobo, a bit in your and Kuala Omoton also Tabian Kofato, Omo my hotels being with them. Journalists being exposure to report on first year football matches in this country. A big cramp say Gold Stars called Africa. The names we have heard across the sub-region, the better administrators we have heard about across the sub-region. The football commentators, journalists, I ask you because of Gold Stars, they will come to the Open my beginning that, but for Gold Stars. And no, and is from home. Yet, we have a diagnosis. So the Gold Stars in the body politics of Viviani. Yet, as you know, and my appetite, no, a course, in who say, let's do it for the people of Viviani, and they will be forever grateful to Viviani mind.
Number 2. Mo model no beka say a modeler a Krabesha mo current modeler mo di running Bibiani Gold Stars no a modeler and the model now mo di only Bibiani Gold Stars mo di running Bibiani Gold Stars in terms of the administrative structure of it and then also the management of it. Mo feel say is it the best model you have so far?
Okay, so let's see. When we say the best, we need comparative analysis. All they single out for us to say is the best. But let me
share say as a company owning the club as compared to individual ownership. And who's about a company owning the club, there are issues of corporate governance, getting the right expert, Amutio Mukeye, to run the club very well, as compared to individual ownership. Into the model I may perceive me who say, oh, as company, as a stability manager, more as a company, I'm only BBN stars. It's our model. Going forward, is that the best model I say a crafty what you league one?
Okay, thank you so much. So, first point I make on is that in very ordinary terms, every manager or Obia or basic level in administration knows that there's this clear difference between ownership and control. It's young at mentioning gold, and young at the beginning mind. We appreciate and understand the concept of separation of ownership from control. Gold Stars is controlled, managed by the management team. Gold Stars is owned by certain other people. Now, the Abuama Gold Stars running and it will continue to run. Is a me. I have never spoken about who is the coach of Gold Stars. How did they recruited the coach? Me, I have never spoken about that. So, that question, I will refer you directly to John Kwesiedu because he manages those markets. It is not my business. In fact, just yesterday, I was telling him that I've heard that he's buying players. I don't even know them. This one tells you that getting players for Gold Stars is purely a management function. It's not my function. Many interest, I say, Gold Stars on a match day gives me goals. Gold Stars gives me scoring lines. My chest, my way. Say one of them my show. Say one of them it's not my business. At the end of the day, someone win a Madia, then they will come and explain to us that there's no way, waiting. Then we can advise, or we can all come together and run it. But okay, I don't know one for Yammo, I don't know one to play away, I don't know one to say. You are usurping the powers of somebody, and Enunu will not. And Enunu will be linked back to your earlier question. Is that after the mines, how do you sustain Gold Stars? You see, they have opportunity to be on their own to take the most rational and reasonable decision for itself and for its own self-sustaining survival. At the end of the day, as a miner, management knowing the opportunity to manage themselves and their team for a longer period. In so many experience, so many exposure, they don't need anybody from the mine to come and manage the team for them because no mine exists forever. It's a model now you're running. I believe is a very general model. Obia on your selfish, Obia on your Petemkumia, Obia on your Imu, Obia on management practices, basic as will run this system. For instance, Asante Kotoko has to spoke. They all have owners. They have board of directors. Then they have management. So if the board owners will be a management running out there, there will be no problem. And people should learn to observe the principle of separation of powers in management. And I believe when that is adhered to, the team will run.
Mr. Edu, that's in Timpacho, last words for Bibiani mine, any Ghana for you. Bibiani mine, yet Tago Stars for cheaper. Now, I feel like I born. Yet, I trade the name, they say, we want to be the best team in Ghana. Well, in your bumper, I shall say, target, Yami shop, and a piece on your brain.
Ati no nkoma apostle call Kokodi helping perfect Emmanuel Edu ono na ro ni HM bibia ni Gold Stars so maso ya erempinfo eboa amane makoye pa etimiera momo no na chese Iram ni Kokodi nkoma me pacho ene legal community manager edema Mensin Mines, and of course Omona ne bibia ni Gold Stars omo support yomo e wo bibia mu eboa manema deda ye pa etimiera momo no ye ne opin perfect riches nche di nkomo e mo no so confirm some matters ye no echeche mu after no na nkofo say hey Zagana bimu ye juma na ne teams here support there as a group kra na yedi tie no ye ho nsema di ererama timi ede amaona mame ko jamo ansala ne mabana phobia supporters gala no mabana maba be didi nkoma na mama kwa ma so afre ede wadwe nche na timi aba bishop ye ereramu kakra nsem na ne ye koso ne de bobo etimi ede ba ne de dwama so nkoma ye kokokodi ye no menim bebia wo de shase
ya share 9 ya share 1 goal ya bafie simple as that. Nti na ebe say mpanyimfo mu di Ghana football ni mbeji atum say ye modern na ye koye no ye kobo Costa Rica no anko yi ye modern e fem girls nimbra ye nim say betututu na mo di nkomo ama ne ma koyi just na man de bo won say me yes me kan ho say ma de be si nti mejai Henry na aba no abeche na semu na you see the good thing about this exercise and say am I hu yen sinto ani yen jinabe Ghana ha the 2 best female teams are Ghana Hazakis ladies and Ampem Dakwa ladies. So 2 teams or coaches in the Bahokra no coach a national team Numubia. And it tells you something. You know, dream what look yanyadi. We are one of the teams I have competition we do power but in free group Numuda. Every single time, group stage, near about when it comes to the women under 20. But the black maidens level, we are very good. Today, just 2 years after, Omoko aha, Omno Monfe for no more under 17, no qua, Omutimimo. I'm sure things would cater for itself later on. Nimum, Yahana more you two in your my ya. Me Jidi Mapa, say bit my ye, Abwa, Amaya qua, I'm the number to Makwa, ye am I, Mehenimu said Ben Fukuba. Then report not Mama Ghana Football Association technical department. Yes, in Tono because we had team now. The biggest Miss A. Evelyn Bedu are Oku proud training before the tournament. I mean, she's one of the biggest players in the team, if not the biggest. I know Danchaya, you a very good training tour. Our France, you training Papa so Okroma and Sunday air Conti a day and Kasa and I'm a Ghana intimacy can ye. Germany Ephraim for the first time in their history, women under 20 no Ephraim group stage. Report on Betrone forensic investigation on Bayem, maybe an assassin to the Ginano, a Johnson. And the idea was a Ghana interested to an amount say baby. Near who be a sin to Gina, and to me myself competition over qua so maybe I'll call your results and fama. I genuinely feel say a bit my BB, Abwa, am I a modern monarch on kind. Now, also Peleno Ankasano has been told, say, Untimin Bobby and Inesa.
Pele dear, modern monone said an MSC corner dear.
Menyesho say a mod I know ya and I am modern.
Oh, yes, the pressure on after Aquana modern monan Casano. Bishop in you. The born no what born on a strike being corner where ha or Bakwaja. I say, nya, and also dear, all the nature goes bebao.
Oh, okay. But all this could have been done before the signing, huh?
No, na yeah, you kaka.
Because I mean, it happens. That means you say, "I no kwa."
Performance count performance no mu huni.
Oh, it's purely down to.
Nya pa.
It's purely down to. I mean, I think Beck and I draw my attention first to this. His style of play, but it's okay. I mean, it's what it is.
Bijo.
Yeah, it's okay.
Player sign contract we sign contract near who's in a modern ball. Why you videos in the chase?
Say I know dia nkame atanye the first time, but our performance can hold there. It raises some questions. And when the scouting, when the hair, when the who because it's a team as homophobe before Bonte by who send a modern mono, conkai.
Yeah.
With the auto in figure at all Mbella to go on one out of Pele. You get the point? So, but I'll maybe Sabe when you may for further details. Namatia see send an MSC Koso, and we are hopeful. Say Namabe Sanemum, so for BFP Krufu Froso, so Messia can Ghana ha. Making sure send the panel ban on him bossing the air one because a cow more work permit. Who could renew the work permit? Look, having these foreign based players in our league is not easy. And yet easy cry. And yes, you know, I would want to see how things would progress. Until me try back when you maybe sign a question.
They pay sign 2 years.
No problem. No problem. Crab back with details. No, maybe I be fans and I was in the
job that way. Oh, they, I'm facing that. I was yeah, but Shadows Phobia supporters Gala 2022. Because di Bernard Bongrit Moa na yenu nkoma kransana my friend for na Baba Biremna more abujmana out for yana more supporters group be busy na e pomo amashi jama ya yehu no Bongrit
Abu Dhabi.
Bombo code.
Boko pa na so e.
Me ho adin. Ti Masha si fi so no ma me nkosi anampin fo no. Oben me ba jo din no.
Femi Castro.
Na wa she yi koko kama ozo ye vroze.
Bright Brown.
Bright okay. O din no honam ne se. Ana chama ozo de no.
Black coffee.
Bongrit ma yehwe 2022 Phobia supporters gala. Ya titi bia honsem ne te say.
Abu edase we dey kind of mass wa kunya mde amaya ni achi aso supporters eti ehwe dwumedie no the only say kwesi dey be yai na Phobia supporters gala ne baso na baso obantema astrotef we nye Sakola Park bia pitch kama pa enti baso anopa 8 ni akobia number 6 enti we no so yenye WhatsApp groups nko above the chapters enti it means say you involve the chapters in the WhatsApp groups and you decide dwumedie ne baso enti invite us supporters ni obi ambra we ya has ni nko ade a eda kwesi ade ede enimi die oni ba bia akọ brabantema astrotef kumase na yefo dwumedie ne nhye so eno ne ho hyehye no
nti draw no ni groupings in here.
Yes.
Group your chapter 170 proud Phobians, Phobia tertiary na fe die hard supporters.
Yes.
And a group in your chapter 134, chapter 101 Phobia elite fans and a Phobia fire for fire. The sena winning city born saying sa dana na ye boni nyina.
Dana na ye boni nyina. Say we group A na 4 teams and a group B is 4 teams. And the group A no be about 2 matches. It is automatically group B be emerge as the winner. Our group B no e share finals. Abuati ase. It will help me group to say proud Phobians na. Say group A me na me win here. And I say me na more points I say me go straight to the finals. That group B so say me na kwa share.
Okay.
Sanity.
Abemva kraka when na ye hwe. Me say we ni ye di kan na ma di kan ye dada.
Oh, we are second edition.
Okay.
You can first edition way back 2018. And I come up I won Kings College Park so.
Okay.
This year the system ka create the Babant match to take kukwasi on. Now yes has supporters will be amra because that day I think say Sunday the more now a free time or meet me aba. I we ever can have supporters abum. The way forward that season never be rare many Africa ever kono. A team never team a conkai. Now you're surprised you are your former players be omoba. Any current as a full players omeba. Bernard Dombo tibeba say. Kofi Abanga so beba and as a full player and you didn't oba na be hono e be say obi abe hu say
area current squad no ba kwa mo de beba
players no mo dey say ba ko beba
okay Brown na as the last time Amobobi was 2018 we no mo nche me mu kakra every year na say mo bono be 4 years
Yes, Sani expect yeah doing say going forward no every year be and yeah the mobilize fan here create awareness social new season and we have to create awareness o share ade atogbe yama yenya say yem so yetumi cost stadium na ye supporting the project no
oni ana kakre we no second edition na mo baba be ye no hwe supporters no mo do so pa na na mo invite yo mo se na won hihye ni sitie mo di ska bi ramu ska nima de be na mo di egu na kwa be on de every support de but ye ba e won hihye bi e de be gu e be mo ni age a the next edition tons are from Mombasa aba se na no zone semte
ska hu me and me ya tan receive pass medals
okay
but second year
oh man so kakra ma me na
second year yeah he be second one no be a second position no but me a Jimmy Pubiate share be say ombra because yeah finish yeah bim because yeah but yeah I finish finish yeah bantu be amra park me a Jimmy Pubiate because my better idea I share I say musomba
oh mate ya beba Sunday ya beba ne abe support it Bongrit me jam kwan ba me nim de mo de betwa to na ai we yeah gala na mo kwa ko mo trophy ne fe one great. What's in we are all can obey Timanya. Now, yes, I drove here the mark of last year, no more. Last year, yes, I drove in an hour more. Oh, okay.
No idea, no. Hantino, Obiambra. Ebe come up, Obiambra, Sunday, dear, also Biaba Bantama. Nesse, did you make any issues? I make us a wish kaka.
Oh, they be some I can't name one kaka.
Trophy, Bibia Umo, Trophy, yes, Trophy Keko. Bibia Trophy, the more we be come to quest Cabina Fumino. Yes, Kakatwa. Intino, Noma has of supporters, dear Guaquema, a basso Sunday.
Mate, Madame Party Sunday, you never corner Yakako supporting Abwa, Nani Amati da Dieno, a phobia, Natchez almost supporters on Aboma de Gala Kesiepa, Abba Bazia Ninamono, a Boman to Tienekuyepa, a Timmy Eddie, a moment, and Chembana Mabaya Faba Mamere, the final 6 minutes. Apostle, Mamma 5 minutes now, here we Kakramami, Yebana, Yatuas and Sana Makwa Manoso.
Monfa Abrantier, Rocky Dramina, and Tusumami. I think that. Sir Asante Kotoko, this player we Abu Asante Kotoko anya dia pa. So mo hwe ne so yi a dachi or the new nyambe bre eku nankasa and now discuss be brom.
Yeah.
18-year-old talented and brilliant midfielder. Young player Lord Zico etiteno. And no goalkeeper no Aziz Oda ochi penalty ma bechem no.
Yeah.
Onse Lord Zico any goalkeeper.
So on there, then kwada na meza manhumi enumi ensa bi obi chomu ni mbopa. Things that we crack on ano. Emmanuel ano.
Yes.
Ano.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now Rocky Draminai Oma 20 passes 4 pen enko. Good. So Oma pass ayeche. Send me wa na me mama efene say virus pass. Oma 20 Senye cry 4-16 complete. Now Osan you be a long range partner Alonso, yes, Xavier Alonso, yes. Or Nimia Papa.
Alonso Obo.
Pass na ye defenders if you be a film na akoto o striker na enemy or
Boni nyina.
Simple cry.
At the age of 18.
Yes, simple.
And yes age man.
Oh yeah, no simple.
Only on your player keto akra.
And then Sir Ochen na Omano pass 18-yard box mu short to Sudia about 8 at least 3 backward in him.
About when I cried a bear 7-1 no. Oh BBBR made for the Ozu now a modern made for the pa.
Yes. Nani a thing. About free kicks are die. Especially just on the edge of the box or bending a twatina. Simple cry. Corner no so or bo abric with some coffee abric the be. Oh, the way African now the original.
Yeah.
Obi only free kick Bobia no sanoj.
Okay.
Until your share keeper no. On or share wall no share keeper no. Until near here say I focused. Referee no no atametu. So, o share talent or any so far near no. Say obenya coach our kotoko obenya butre a grooming yama no confidence this boy or a start to watch.
Yeah.
That the technical abilities are or no the vision are brilliant. The technique of passing ball no so close control near 1 in 9 view. Yeah, difficult to lose possession.
Yeah.
So they say. So very good. Because it's not easy to scout such players. And then you look at almost a champion, for instance, a ball left back, a ball right back. Even sometimes you can play as a central midfielder. Versatility in the young player, like way for instance, or bet me about 8, or bet me about number 10. So they say, the versatility players are multiple bought different rules. And that way, or you're young, Amos, you're young. What they say now, Oshe Mohamed Sharif, for instance, I don't see a young, or a very intelligent, calm, or good composure as a centre back. And the age is no motor there. Say, maybe at this season by next season. Now, like I said, it comes back to Coach Kama, Albania Botre, Atitin Kolani, on how to bring the best out of them. trust me. The players are more within that. Those are spot on recruitment. Yes, Kotoko, born in there, but at least my young players confident. No more me Quenya. They always prove say betimi aye. And the Dramina, the metimi can say trust me. Kotoko a top player. Nemum sawato onimbo and it's obe baba yeno and no niema dawson. And that is where you need a good coach. A do they be a so guide you, you counsel them. Outside the pinema kakrebi crack to me affect you emotionally. I be affecting the output on the field of play. So there. So for me, so far, and so Sean said now me can say Sege Zeze because he's a very good player.
Zeze.
On the first touches here, sublime.
Yeah.
He's a very skillful. And he's a ball carrier. And to Unya Onona Abrantia Rocky. Etimi back kotoko nyajidie so betimi ni mpanyifo na bo betimi abokotoko no na fa kotoko will have a very intelligent and talented midfield, very workaholic midfield.
Yeah,
what they say training share near but deal no the almost and
he's a kotoko player. Join called is your kotoko player. Oh, a very good modern midfielder.
Yes,
Rocky Jamina.
And so far, Osha Bounty players so much Bichim or my Munako Samatex training on my so far. Any performance on my daddy so far. Baby on the players because they do very well. It means that on Nyabo Trech Ren Colana Dipa I want the academy.
Yeah.
Because omo a show say omo suya ye
and on my back.
No banswa omo deliver.
Also, many area bebana ye di command Rocky Jamina no minister. Minister they no dey we am ba.
Okay.
They can once.
Well, can be pa.
We am ba be kan once. Be kan once. Me say we am ba mema ye di no command. Ti me share that dia ba.
Okay.
Edia mo ewia no. 0548931931 0548931931 0551931931 0551931931 Me ba cho